Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
In order to find the ratio of electrons in this case, we take the molar mass of silicon and we know this to be this value in kilograms per mole, and we can use this value to calculate the number of electrons given its density. So rho is equal to 2,330 kilograms per meter cubed. Okay, so we know the total number of electrons in silicon is equal to its molar mass divided by its density multiplied by the density of conduction electrons, and this data is given in the question. And then this will get you 1.02 times 10 to the 11 electrons per mole. Okay, now let's look at the number of added electrons. So we know that for every 1.5 to the 6 silicon atoms, the semiconductor has been doped with one phosphorus atom. So let's look at this by saying that in 1 mole of substance we have 6.023 times 10 to the 23 atoms and divide it by the number of silicon atoms, i.e. the ratio of silicon atoms we have, and this gives us 4.013 times 10 to the 17 additional conduction electrons. Okay, so now we can just do the following calculations. We can look at the additional over the total, and this will be the number we've just calculated divided by the number we calculated prior, and this will get you 3.33 times 10 to the 6. So this is the factor.